And, I had a feeling Norman Bates had quite a few skeletons in his closet, to say the least. But I definitely did not realize that all of this is what he's been hiding in his backyard. Now, this is the airplane crash site set from Steven Spielberg's 2005 movie, War of the Worlds. And it was designed by the fabulous production designer, Rick Carter. And here is a little bit from both of those men on what went into making this absolutely breathtaking set that you all are seeing in front of you right now.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision of Spielberg.
And to sit down to talk about War of the Worlds, I thought, what if the 7th film goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep pressing me. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Now close. Robbie, get in.
Listen to him, Robbie.
Get in.
That's better. And that is an